About time.
What up, Elite fam? Baby, y'all know what we back with. Oh, y'all, we doing this video for y'all because...
Why? Why are we doing it?
We got 100 subscribers! But we here, y'all, with this mukbang.
Did you say
mukbang? Huh? Mukbang, boo. That's a new saying. But yeah, we back with this video. Finna eat. Got some Subway. You can see my Dorito on the side and some brisk.
Honey, see, she took forever, y'all, so I'll junk all my brisk.
Some pineapple.
See that? You see that?
Some
watermelon, nice taste.
Some pineapple passion fruit.
I got her own with that drink.
I got myself with this drink.
You said what? Devil is a lie. You know who I got you on that. What you open your chips for? You open that later.
Cause I want to eat it while I eat my sandwich. Oh, why?
You doing too much.
But yeah, anyways, y'all. Wait.
Without further ado.
Hold on. Let's stop bread, not water. You know, just my prayer. Amen. I did it.
You gonna stop me from eating? Make me want to say it again, just because you said that.
Something that.
If you do it all, bust you.
Yeah. It's good. You like cooking?
No cooking. We was thinking about cooking, but it was like, nah. Just
we ain't have time for all that. I already eat now, y'all. This I swear, almost like first. See, we mom say first minute because we only ate like a small little biscuit at like 7 something this morning.
Yep.
At 8 o'clock, I guess.
This is our second time eating today. We had breakfast and that was it. I'm finna.
Yeah.
But y'all, I don't like that. She always smack when she eat. Like the food must be that good for you to smack.
First of all, I'm trying to get him some smacking action.
For what?
I want them to hear me eat.
They don't want to hear that.
So good.
Somebody already did.
Huh?
Okay.
But yeah, I'm trying to see. What you talking about, babe? What you want to talk about?
I don't know. Oh! What are we talking about? What y'all think we should do in our next video? You see what I'm talking about? She trying to talk, but she over here smacking. That's why I tell her stop smacking. Don't talk with your mouth full.
It's not. It's half full.
Your mouth, you still got food in your mouth. That's the point of the saying. Don't talk with food in your mouth.
But we always ask y'all that. And y'all don't tell us nothing. What's going on?
What got going on? You don't tell us nothing.
Wait, I got the chicken breast.
I got turkey.
Chicken breast sub, a foot long, baby, because the girl's hungry. With some spinach, some onions, some cucumbers, some banana peppers with sweet onion, honey mustard, chipotle.
Shut up.
Vinegar, salt.
You know what? As soon as she finishes that, she gonna be full. I'm telling you, I know her. Unless she hasn't eaten all day, she'll finish it. But she did eat some today, so she's only gonna eat that, and that's it. On the other hand, me, I'm gonna be done.
Cause I only ate a little small biscuit this morning.
Okay.
So
to you, that's a lot.
So each month.
To you, that's a lot.
Each month, we try to at least gain 100 subscribers a month.
Try to get it up there.
Try to get at least 100 subscribers a month.
Me, I'm gonna go ahead. Just do a little bit. It's not that necessary. Ain't nothing over there.
Don't look.
What? I knew you was gonna do it. No, give me one. Yeah, I asked. Like your rule, but just greedy. But want to complain when I try to get one bite of something that she had.
No, you complain when I get one bite of your food.
Because you always eat it every time I get something.
What am I supposed to do?
No.
What you expect me to do? Not to ask for your food?
No.
No, sir. It don't work that way.
Yeah, it do. Okay, listen, y'all. Let me ask y'all something. I'm pretty sure ladies, y'all do this all the time. Every single one of y'all like this. Why do y'all get food, and if it's your friend, your boyfriend, your fiance, or your husband, whoever it is, then we get something. Why do y'all have the tendency to put y'all fingers in our food and get some of our food? But when we want to get something from y'all want to fight with us about it.
First of all, we don't fight with
No,
right?
yes y'all do.
Second of all, y'all food was looking good, so we want to eat it.
Why don't y'all get what we get?
Cause something different, so I eat. Cause I can't eat your food.
No, that's not how it works. I don't like that.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell y'all.
No, I know what to tell you. Don't put your fingers in my food. That's mine. That's what I got. See, that's just messed up. Y'all know what? That's cold. Y'all know what? That's messed up. That's real messed up. That is not ours.
Let me tell you
First
something.
of all, how can it be ours if it was what I wanted from the beginning? It's not what you wanted because you got what you already wanted.
Let me tell you something. Look,
No,
listen.
don't tell them that.
For all the married people,
Oh, excuse me. Ooh.
that goes for the single folks. But for married people, let me tell you something. When you get married, what's yours is mine, and what's mine is mine.
First of all, don't use that towards anything. That's a shame. You see how my wife do? Talking about whatever food I get is hers and what food she get is hers. That's kind of unfair. Matter of fact, that's not even kind of unfair. That is unfair.
It's not unfair.
How? Explain to the people why it's not unfair.
Because it's not.
Yeah, I'm hearing that buffoonery coming out of you.
It's just fair for us to eat that food.
It's just rude for y'all to eat our food and then we can't get nothing from you. That's messed up. That's mean. That's mean.
How?
Can be like, all right, babe, can I have some? No. That's messed up.
First
You
of all,
get it from my plate.
I offer my food to you when I have food, babies. Hold on,
No, first of all, you don't offer it. You give it to me. That's the difference. Actually, I ask you. You don't offer. I ask.
No.
No. I
Let
ask.
me say what Marcus do when he wants some of my food. Ooh, that shows look good.
First of all, I don't say that every time, so don't even
Yes,
lie.
you do most
Don't
of the
tell
time.
the people that and you lying.
I'm not lying, Marcus. He look at my food.
Don't not come onto the field and say, "Oh, that show look good."
You do tell me that.
That's how I know you don't tell the truth.
No. So you lying? You gonna lie and say that you don't say that?
I don't say that all the
But
time.
you say it though, right?
I don't say it all the time. But you said no. You're saying it as in that's what I
You
say.
want my food? You want what you say? That show look good.
I don't say that all the time.
You say it most of the time,
I
y'all.
only say it most of the time. So now I know you lying.
That's how I know he want my food. So after when he say that, I'm like, babe, you want some?
No, that's how I know.
So he gets it's vice versa.
This how greedy she
Vice
is.
versa.
No. This how greedy she is. She'll get something. Yeah, it look good. I don't ask her then, but I wait for my food. When I get my food, she all in my plate. After she already been eating in her plate. As soon as I get my food, yoink,
No.
what you doing?
No.
I just wanted to try my butt.
That sure look good.
You always want to try some.
That chip sure look good.
You already ate one. And you didn't even ask. You see that? She didn't ask. She stuck her finger in there. You gonna look at the wall and say, "Oh, don't look." I barely turned my head. I already saw her stuck her hand in my chip, and she gonna take one and eat it. You see how greedy she is? Y'all see what I'm talking about?
I'm not greedy, so don't say I'm greedy.
You are greedy.
Huh?
You are greedy.
If I was greedy, I'd eat a lot, which I don't.
All right. You go and eat a lot and you eat my food. No, I ain't being greedy.
No.
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 You about to make me mad.
No.
Y'all know what else I don't like? Every time we in a video, she got a hat on. She's always doing this.
So?
Why you? Let me tell you something. Why you do that all the
I
time?
don't make that face though, so you're gonna be messed up.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
This is how you
Let
do
me
it.
tell you something.
This is how the OG do it.
You know what I'm talking about?
Let me tell you something.
OG. Oh, shut up. Oh, you know, but you know, OG.
You got problem with this.
You know, OG.
I'm OG around here.
God.
Got me messed up. That period. Let me tell you something.
Who told you that lie?
Nobody. Wow.
Somebody had, cause you know OG.
Comment down below if you think I'm an OG. Let me know.
Comment down below if y'all know she ain't no OG.
I'm an OG.
Because she's not an OG.
Who OG then? Not you.
Shoot, told you that lie. I'm OG.
They ain't putting no sauce on this part.
Not like you needed there.
I like mine drowned in sauce.
That's not good.
It's good. Cause
I'm pretty sure a lot of people do that, but it's not good.
Cause those flavors are good for
It's
you.
not good.
It's organic.
She only doing that so she can get the saucy taste all over her sandwich. So she can taste it as she eating it. Be quiet. That's what's wrong with her.
Like I'm
Thinking
tasting
she gotta
it.
have sauce all over a doggone sandwich.
Like I'm tasting it now.
Don't do that.
Are you getting mad or what?
Yes. I'm getting upset.
Why?
You know why?
I wish you would have market.
Okay then. Stop.
Wait, y'all. I remember earlier, okay. His grandpa wanted to go to Best Buy for him, right?
Shut up, cause I know what she gonna say. She gonna talk about how serious my face was. I wanna go to
Let me say it down.
It's too late. You talk too much. Let me tell him. So look, y'all, this what happened. I'm serious. Let me tell him. Let me tell him.
He said
No.
he was so serious because
my eye, you freaking idiot.
we supposed to go David to the
Look at it. Now she's saying it won't.
we supposed to go to Best Buy for his grandpa.
for my
He told us some
grandpa.
babe. Don't forget David.
Why you always gotta talk? Shut up. Let me talk. You talk too much as it is in these videos. I said, hey, let's go. I need to go to Dave and Buster's for my grandpa. And then she gonna look at me and say, what are you talking about? I said, I need to go to Dave and Buster's for my grandpa. I had to catch myself. I looked the second time. I said, oh shoot, I said Dave and Buster's. I meant Best Buy.
You know, I said, babe. What you say, babe? You mean go to Dave and Buster's for my grandpa?
And I said, oh shoot, I meant Best Buy. And she think it's, hey, hold on. No, look, let me do it. For real. I'm not gonna do nothing to you. Come here. Oh, I'm tripping.
What?
Thought it was a hole in your tongue. It looked like it was a hole in your tongue. I said, what the hell?
Because it is?
Yeah. I'm about to say, when did you bite your tongue?
But y'all, that was so
You got
funny.
vampire too.
Damn, I supposed to say something else. Forgot. You can't go Dave and Buster's for my grandpa. Man.
That's for my grandpa. You know, sit there and check me. You old Grinch.
He was so serious. We had a straight face and said it, like, serious. Like,
Ben, I don't like your chin when you talk. Shut up.
serious. Yeah.
Babe, no, don't say it.
Let me say something.
Okay, look, y'all. Please don't get a habit of that. Yeah, please don't. Don't start saying that. Please. Every time something slip out her mouth, everybody starts saying it. Don't start saying that. Let me tell you something. Because I don't like it.
People already started saying it.
Who?
That know me.
Who?
Briana, Mia, Kendall. I think he was that.
It's your fault. I'm going to start doing my finger like I used to.
I Kendall. Michaela said, no. I'm a little G. Duh.
There you go.
Keep telling you that. You want to listen.
Ew, your bottom lip. Her lip just stay out here as she eat. Yeah, dude.
I would not eat like that.
Yeah, you do.
What's it look like? Guys, seen that movie Ants.
Which one?
With the not the purple ants, the other one. The Ants movie.
She's so retarded. She keep calling the movie Ants. It's A Bug's Life.
Not A Bug's Life, but the Ants. The movie The Ants.
There's no purple ants.
The Bug's Life is purple.
Wait, what did you say?
The Bug's Life.
A Bug's Life?
Your life.
Exactly.
They
You
purple.
keep calling the ants.
The Ants. Cause I ain't gonna live. But I'm talking about the Ants movie. You know, like the big.
See, she keeps saying the Ants movie. It's called A Bug's Life.
I'm not talking about that no more.
Are you talking about the movie Ants?
The Ants movie.
Those ants are brown.
Yeah.
You said purple.
Oh my gosh. Cause look.
You see that? You see? She can't catch herself.
Well, shut up. So, stop for real. Now, I was talking about because, like, it's the big one in the Ants movie, the big brown ant. He one of the muscular ones. And
don't play me. I don't look like that. I don't look like that old swole head. Yeah.
That's what you look like.
You know what you look like?
Ah!
You know what you look like?
Myself. That's what.
I know what you look like from Ants. You look like that. You want me to tell you? Oh, yeah. I'll just be quiet. You remind me of that wasp.
You remind me of that dog on grasshopper off the Bug's
Oh,
Life.
what? You know you remind me of? The doggone, that little stick bug off of Bug's Life.
With big eyes?
Mm-hmm.
Fine.
Little stick. Who did it?
Come here.
I think I asked for too much onion.
I ain't still a lot of onion.
I said a little bit. He gave me a lot. I'm gonna be you now. Cause you make me mad. I'm going back to my original way. I can tell you're getting full.
Wow.
I know you. I ain't gonna lie though. This has always been my favorite sauce at Subway.
What?
Sweet onion.
Mine too.
Can't never go wrong with sweet onion. It go on anything. I don't care if it's meatball, man. I mean meatball. Meatball marinara. You can put it on this. Girl.
So if I make spaghetti at home one day, you put some sweet onion sauce on there?
It's all right. Though it don't need to be on there.
No, it don't, but I'm saying.
If I want to?
So you said
You said if I want to?
Yes.
Maybe.
Because you said you put it on anything.
Sandwich wise from Subway. I want, that ain't right. Leave it on there. Leave it on there. Well, y'all, I'm done with my sandwich. I know she getting full because now she's starting to play with her food and she gonna take forever. I'm watching you. Oh yeah. Look what I got. Oh, that double chocolate fudge.
There's him inside of me.
What? Oh, shut up. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
There's him inside of me.
And then, Should heat the cookies up. Anybody ever got the cookies from Subway? I'm pretty sure everybody done it. Y'all get it and heat it up? Or is it just me? Because I do it. But just not right now.
Subway is all around the world, right? Like in every state.
Pretty sure. Why? Why?
Club don't have Subway where they at. Some people.
Man, I'm eating this Subway. Subway? What's Subway?
Make it Subway.
Bro, hit that Kawhi Leonard. I'll tell you, I'm surprised you ate the other part, but now you're getting full. Ah!
Ow.
When she laugh, y'all, she always got her tongue out. See. Dude.
That was good, y'all. That was so good. Oh! You cute.
Why you laugh like that, bruh?
Anyways, y'all. Excuse me.
You nasty.
We about to end the video right here. We ate our food and now we fat full. Hey, 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 hey. But anyways.
Oh, I think you.
We finna end our video right here, baby.
We better.
We finna end our video right here, baby. I am fat full. He fat full. And he still. We love y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. What do you want to do? Like, what do you want us to do? What do you want to see us doing?
Don't forget to follow us
on Instagram and Snapchat. It will be coming down below.
Why you always doing that? Dog it. Can't never talk.
Talking right now.
You trying to be smart?
But we love y'all. And we'll start in our next challenge or our next prank or our next video or our next vlog or our next.
That's what vlog is, baby. It's a video.
Oh, alright. But we love y'all.